Welcome back. So still on complex number. Now we are moving to conversion from radian to degree. So if you are told to convert from radian to degree, how do you go about it? This is the formula. So we want to get your theta, right, in degree. So it will be that radian multiplied by 180 degree over pi. That's the formula. You know, conversion from the one we did in the previous video, conversion from degree to radian, the formula is just simply theta multiplied by pi over 180. While conversion from radian back to degree, it is now what? It is now that radian multiplied by 180 degree over pi. It's just vice versa. Do you understand? So don't mix them up. Don't mix them up. Now, example, convert the following to degree. Question 1, we have pi over 4. Question 2, 2 pi over 3. Question 3, 5 pi over 6. Then question 4, 11 pi over 6. How do you go about it? Solution. Solution. Now, for question 1, I was given in, don't forget, I'm to convert it to degree. Meaning all these are in radian, right? So it means my radian is given as what? Pi over 4. So what is now the formula? The formula to get your degree is what? It is now that radian multiplied by what? 180 degree over pi, right? Is that not the formula? So what are we going to have now? What was our radian? Pi over 4. That will be pi over 4 multiplied by 180 degree over pi, right? You know, this radian is this pi over 4 multiplied by 180 degree over pi. So what happened? I cancel pi, right? So 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4 will give us what? 180 divided by 4 will give us 45. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 45 degree. You get it? So that's how we solve that. So let's go to question 2. Question 2 says we're giving our radian as 2 pi over 3. So what is the formula to get your theta? That's radian multiplied by 180 degree over pi, right? You know that's the formula. So what's our radian? We're giving it as 2 pi over 3. So that will be multiplied by 180 degree over pi. What happened? Pi cancel pi, right? So 3 here, 1, 3 in 180 will give us 60 degree, right? 2 times 60 degree will give us what? 120 degree. And that's how you get that. Do you understand? 3 here, 1, 3 in 180 is what? 60 degree. 2 times 60 degree will give us what? 120 degree. And that's how you get your what? Your theta in form of degree. So we can go on and on to question 3. Let's try for question 3. Question 3 says what? 5 pi over 6. So we're giving our radian as 5 pi over 6. So what do you do? So what is the formula to get your degree? That will be radian multiplied by 180 degree over pi, right? So what are we going to have? Our theta will now be what? What's our radian? That's 5 pi over 6 multiplied by 180 degree over pi, right? Pi will cancel pi, right? 60 here, 1, 60 here will give us what? 30 degree. 5 times 30 degree will give us what? What will be our theta? Our theta will be what? 150 degree. 150 degree. Do you understand? So we can go on and on to question what? To question 4. Question 4 says 11 pi over 6. You convert it to degree. That will be 11 pi over 6 multiplied by 180 degree over pi. Then you get your answer. So drop the answer for question 4 in the comment section. If you don't understand, reach out to me. We're always willing to explain better. Thank you.